In this video, I'm going to show you how to change TikTok notification sound. Before we begin, subscribe and give a like to this video because I'm sure it will help you out. So, if you go to the TikTok alone, there isn't an option to actually do it inside these settings and privacy. As you can see, if I go to the notification and potentially like in-app, there's only for like likes, comments, new followers, etc. and things like that. And unfortunately, you can't do this on iOS. This is only available on Android. But basically, what you would do is go to your settings on Android, and then you need to find TikTok as an app. Once you have located TikTok, you will see notifications. You need to click on that, and basically under sounds, you will be able to change your notification sounds. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment, like and subscribe.